use it for anything like 请你like 你好吗？请你读这个故事。Could you read this story? 请你读一下这个故事。Could you read this story? So you can use it for any time, everywhere, because it's a polite. So 请 very very important. Okay. Now I want you to follow me. We practice one more time. 请 Yes, very good, very good. 请问 means may I ask? Could I ask you? Something like that. 请问 Okay. Okay, let's move to next word.
谢谢，不客气。对。
Okay. 谢谢，不客气。Every time when people say thank you, you should say you're welcome. So it's still power word. You use it everywhere when you go to China. So let's do this practice. Follow me again. 谢谢，
谢谢，
谢谢。
谢谢。
Very good. And your answer could be 不客气，不客气。 Yeah, when you say it, you should say the pinyin, so it's helpful for you to remember it all. Okay. I needed to ask about Sarah. If I say 谢谢, what would you say?
不客气。
Very good. 不客气，不客气。Good, good. So now I still want to practice with your partner again. This. 谢谢，不客气。
谢谢。你好吗？你好吗？ No. Oh. Well, I'm trying to read it from one thing like trying
谢谢，不客气。Everyone got it? 谢谢，不客气。Okay.
不客气。对不起。没关系。
It's still a common word. You will use a lot when you go to China or talk with Chinese people. So 对不起, what's the meaning in English?
Sorry.
Very good. So it also could be like excuse me, something. We still say 对不起. We use the same word, but it depends on the time. Sometimes it could be means excuse me, but we still say 对不起. Like if you want to ask someone, they are talking with something, 对不起, 请问 what? May I ask you something? Right? So you can say for the polite, say, 哦，对不起，请问教室在哪? Where is the classroom? Could I ask you where is the classroom? So in English it's supposed to be like, excuse me, could I ask you where is the classroom? Something like that. So 对不起 very common. You can use for everything. You started asking people. You can start with 对不起. It's not really sorry. Sometimes it could be excuse me. So I just want to let you know that. Here, we'll give you sorry, but it depends on the situation. It also could be excuse me. So 对不起. Let's practice one more. 对不起. 对不起. If someone says sorry to you, you can say 没关系. It's okay. 没关系.
没关系.
没关系. Okay. So same thing. If someone said sorry to you, 对不起 to you, you should say 没关系. It's okay. It's okay. So if I did something, if I give you a wrong paper, so I said, oh, 对不起.
没关系.
That's But anyway, so this is still power word. Okay, I think everyone got this piece, and we will keep on practicing, keep practicing on this. Okay, now let's go to the second page, which is 14, page 14. Here is a real dialogue. It's still talking about the ask others how they are. We will listen to this part. It's on page 14.
To ask someone, how are you? You can say, 你好吗?你好吗? If you are feeling excellent, you can say, 很好,很好. If you feel alright, you say, 不错,不错. If you feel so-so or just okay, you say, 还可以,还可以. If you are not well, you say, 不太好,不太好. After saying how you are, you can return the courtesy by asking the other person, 你呢?你呢? Meaning, and how about you? For example,
早，
早,
你好吗？
我很好,谢谢。你呢?
我很好，谢谢。
Or,
不错，谢谢。
or,
还可以，谢谢。
or.
不太好。
Exercise 1.
Okay, so this in this dialogue you have several new words, and it's all describe how you feeling, how you feeling right now. If you feel excellent, great, so you can say 很好. If someone asks 你好吗? Say 很好. Great, 很好. So that means excellent. Or 不错 means good, not too bad, good. Or 还可以 means so-so, exactly, means so-so. 还可以. Or if you don't feel very good, you kind of sick, you can say 不太好. You can feel the tones, it's 不太好, so go down, it's like 不太好. So, I want you to practice a little bit more. 很好,不错,还可以,不太好. I want you to practice a little bit more. If you have question, raise your hand. I help you. You can with your partner practice a little bit more. And if you have question, let me know. You don't excuse me, everyone. You don't have to. I will explain the 早 to you a little bit. Now I just want to practice 很好,不错, 我不太好,还可以. I just want you to practice those 4 new words. New words. 还可以. Very good. 不太好.你好吗? 很好. 谢谢. And you can say 你呢? And is that you? 你呢? Don't worry about this. Just practice before we will talk about the 早. What this means. 你好吗? Very good. Then you can ask 你呢? Ask me. Okay. Now I think everyone got these 4 new words describe your feeling, right? Okay, now I heard someone talk about 早 here. This means it's not to describe the feeling what you have right now. This is about actually it means morning. It means morning. All right. So here is the very interesting about this character. Everyone can see that this part, the first part, this means the sun. The sun. This part, just this part. Okay, it's about the sun. And actually, 1,000 years ago, the Chinese people write the song is like this. There's a point in it. So, it's what you think about this? When you saw this, what you think about? It really looks like the sun. It looks like the sun, right? Someone said some like the Chinese characters, the expert. They said that in 1,000 years ago, Chinese people already have seen the sunspot in the sun, which is I don't think so, because at that time people don't have a telescope, so they cannot think about it 5,000 years ago. They don't have anything to. So for me, I would like to understand it's just the bright from the sun. You cannot draw it like bright, so you just give a point. That means when you saw it, it's just like when you see it directly, the sun, it's just almost like a spot in it because that's bright. That's how we read it in 1,000 years ago. But now we change it to like this.